See the stars up there? There's some wooded area back here. I'm gonna test out the WUBEN G5. Look at this little light. Lights up all those wooded areas. Dim it down. 400 lumens. Look at that. Super bright. Lighting up the woods back there. Working pretty sweet. This box came in the mail today. Now I will go ahead and do an unboxing to let you see what it is. It is the WUBEN G5 Easy Carry Light. It has a nice package right here. Let's see what this is. Just a nice one to add the collection. Set that right there on my ice cold fridge. This is the unboxing, and then we'll get into some review parts to show you how it works. Okay, we got it out the box, but I think the box has a little bit more something to it. I'll get that out later. So right here, you can see, here's the light. It's nicely wrapped. It has your instruction manual. Looks like some USB cables right here. Let's check that out. Let's put the manual right there. Pretty nice, pretty small and compact light. Pretty cool. Has a magnet on the bottom. And here's the cables. Let's see what it comes in the cable box. Yeah, so it has a little key ring on the lanyard, USB lanyard, and then this is the light right here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in here. So once you hit this little button on the side, you can turn the light on, and then there's a toggle switch to adjust up to 400 lumens, which is pretty bright for how small this pocket is, this pocket flashlight. And then if you hold down the button, you can actually have different modes. So I think it's a blue light there. Let's see. And now I have like a red light. So that's pretty cool. And there's different colors that you can toggle through. And it has a clip on the side, which I'll look more into that. Right here is a nice little clip. You see that? I guess you can put like in your pocket. And then on the bottom, we'll turn it off real fast. There is a magnet right here on the bottom of it. On this ARB fridge, you can stick that right there, and it sticks to it. So say you were at camp and you were like, all right, let me turn on my brighter light. Let's see, I still got to get all used to the functions. There you go. So now you just put it there, and you got some downward light working on stuff. Or, you know, your engine goes out, and you got to look in the engine bay. This is on the 400 lumens. Super bright. And then you can, like, you know, set up different angles, and then let's see what you switch to the other mode. There's a different color mode. See, green, yellow, like a purple, teal, yellow, and then where's the red? The red's the money one. Oh, there it was. I passed it. So pretty much you use this toggle and you're able to move through the different ones. There's red. Try and do some night op stuff. WUBEN G5 light. Super compact. Powerful. More to come. Subscribe. Greatest of all, Texas.